Welcome to the tutorial on how to insert an SD card into your Xiaomi C300 smart camera. With an SD card, you can record more footage without worrying about running out of space. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Locate the SD card slot. Push the lens upward to reveal the micro SD card slot. Step 2. Power off the camera. Make sure your camera is powered off to avoid any potential damage to the device or the SD card. Step 3. Insert the micro SD card. Gently insert SD card into the card slot until you hear a click or feel it securely in place. Step 4. Power on the camera. Once the SD card is inserted, power on your camera. It should automatically detect the SD card and configure it for use. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi C300 camera in the playlist linked in the description below.